Alright, welcome back. In this video, we are going to use what we have learned up till now to make a cashier program. The program should get two input numbers from the user, one for the cost and one for the given money by the customer. It should then calculate and display the change and show how to give that change out with as few dollar bills as possible. The available bills are 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2, and $1 bills. We are not going to do cents for now. For example, if the cost is $60 and the given amount is $100, it should say that the change is $40 and that we can give that amount out with two $20 bills. Alright, I want you to pause at this point and try to do this program on your own and see my solution afterwards. Okay, so I'm back in PyCharm, and as usual I have a new project and the main Python file in it. And in here, the first thing I want to do is to make my variables I need. Okay, the first variable I need is the given money, right? Or the cost, doesn't matter which one do you first. Let me do cost first. We say cost equals the integer of the input. And the message I want to show is enter the cost. All right. Okay, I got the cost, and now I want the given money, right? Let me name it as given, or let me give it given money. And let that be equal to the integer of input. And we want to say enter the given amount. All right, so and the other things that I need are the number of my dollar bills. So I need 100 bills, right? 100 bills. Their amount is 0 for now. I need 50 bills, right? 50 bills. And let that be 0, 2. 20 bills. 20 bills equal to 0, and 10 bills zero, 5 bills, and 2 bills, and 1 bills, right? Okay, now I got all the variables that I need. Now I need to think about my algorithm. Okay, the first thing I wanted to do was to show the change, right? Calculating the change is actually easy. I'm just gonna make a variable and call it change, and that is going to be equal to the given money minus the cost. All right, and we actually wanted to print that out, so let's say print the change is change dollars. All right, next thing we need to do is to show the user how he can give out that change using the dollar bills we have available. Okay, to do that I have a simple solution. The solution is to just, for each one of them, say, for example, the 100 bills, starting with the biggest one. The biggest one is 100. For the 100 bills, say that is just equal to change divided by 100, right? And then afterwards just say change modulo equals the 100. Okay, and we need to repeat that for every dollar bill we have available. Okay, so I'm going to just copy that a couple of times. We have the 100 bills, the 50 bills, the 20 bills, 10 bills. And after that, we have the 5 bills, the 2 bills, and the 1 bill. For the 1 bill, we don't really need that anymore. So I'm going to just say 1 bills equals the change then, right? Because that's obviously smaller than 2, and there's nothing smaller than 1, so that's actually pointless. Okay, so Now I just need to change those variables, right? This one has to become the 50 bills. This one, the 20 bills. This one's going to become the 10 bills. And this is going to be the 5. And this one is 2. And the 1 bill is just 1 bill. Okay? Now, we got all of those. And now we need to print them out, right? But printing them out is pointless just like that, okay? If they're 0, if the number of our bills is 0, we don't need to display anything, okay? So for each of them, we have to check if the number of those bills, if the number of those dollar bills is bigger than 0, right? So we say if 100 bills, for example, is bigger than 0, then we want to print out. Okay, first I want to say that is, right? Because that is the last thing we printed was the change is so many dollars, and then we want to say that is, okay? So let's say that is, and then print out that is what, right? That is, if that is bigger, then we want to say 100 bills. That is so many $100 bills, okay? And let me just copy that again because it's going to be the same for every single dollar. Let's just copy that. So we got the 100, the 50, again the 20, and the 10, the 5, and the 2, and the last one is the 1. Okay, now I just need to change those variables and the text, right? So let me just do that real quick. 100 bills, we got the 50 bills after that. 50 bills, this one's going to become 50 as well. And then the 20. 20 bills, and here we got 20 again, and here we have the tens, right? We got the tens, now we get to fives. This is the 5 bills again. And this should become 5. And we got the 2 now, right? 2 bills. This is the 2. Did I copy that too much? $2 bills, $2 bills, and the 1 bills, right? $100, $50, $20, $10, $5, $2, $1. Okay, I copied it one time too much. I'm gonna delete that. No big problem. And we don't really need this. Okay, is that right? We got 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2, and 1. All right, that should be it. Let's just go ahead and give it a run. I hope it works. The cost, let's say 60, the given amount 100. Okay, it doesn't work the way I was supposed to, right? Okay, because I forgot to change these, right? I forgot to change these numbers. So let's change them quickly. 50 bills, this is going to be 50 modulo 50. This is going to be 20 modulo 20. we got 100, 50, 20, 10. And this is 10. This one's got to be 5 and 5. And this one's got to become 2. And this is 2, right? So I hope it works this time. Not sure though. 60, 100. 0.4 $100 bills, 0.8 $50 bills, 2 $20 bills. Okay, 0.4 and 0.8, that has a reason, because, and the reason for that is actually a good reason. We don't want to divide it just like that, right? We want the floor division. For the floor division, we use 2 divide signs, right? So if it has a decimal number, we don't want that decimal number. Okay, we just want the floor division. It's just the 2 slashes. So let's give it a run again. 60, 100, and now it works the way it's supposed to. Okay, let's try it again with another number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that, 1,234, and the given amount, let it be $2,000. And that's 766, $700, $150, $110. We got 760 now, 765, and 766. So as far as I'm concerned, the program works correctly and we're actually done. So give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for the future videos.